and welcome to my channel. If you happen to be new, welcome. I'm so glad you stumbled upon my channel and I hope you stick around, and if you love what you see, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and there's lots more to come. It's a work in progress. So for today's video, I wanted to do January favorites because I had accumulated a few things over Christmas and had a chance to wear them, use them, eat them, drink them type of thing. So I wanted to share them with you. So first things first, I'm going to start with some makeup. So for my birthday is a week before Christmas, so I have gotten some gift cards and some presents from Sephora, and so I had gone out and bought a few things, and I also and I also got some stuff for a present. So one of the things that I had bought was the blush kit from Anastasia, and it's just a set of different colored brushes. And they are very pigmented, and they don't kick off too much dust or anything like that, so I do like it. I needed something, and I just wasn't sure which ones to get, and this one happened to be on sale, so I had picked it up and I can't complain. I do like it. The next one I got for Christmas, I really wanted this palette, but as much as I like makeup and things like that, sometimes I have a hard time spending $60–70 on makeup. But this I wanted, and I guess the person that got it for me was listening, so they had got it for me for my birthday. Was it for my birthday? No, it was actually for Christmas. It's the Too Faced chocolate bar. It smells like chocolate. I'm sure you guys are familiar with it. It's been around for a while. So, and I wanted this exact colors. I know there's white chocolate, and I don't know if there's any other ones, but so just to kind of show you, if you're not familiar with it, it does have pretty neutral colors, colors that I like. Last year I had picked up a Tarte palette, which had a little bit. Again, for my birthday, I got some gift cards, so I wanted to buy something that's going to last me a while. So I had bought the Tarte one, but it was in neutral colors. It was a little bit different. That's what I wanted, but I needed a neutral palette, and I like this one. I like it a lot. Now, another thing, not from Sephora or anything, was this one I picked up 2 weeks ago, and it was the NYX Born to Glow Primer, and I really, really like it. It just gives you a really nice glow. So, and again, a lot of you probably are familiar with it. So, it's not too shiny, but just enough, in my opinion. So, and I always find I try to look younger, you know how it is. I'm 41, so the age is hitting. All right. Another thing that I like, this one's just from the drugstore, and it is the Super Stay Matte Ink by Maybelline, and this stuff stays on. It does not budge whatsoever. And to kind of show you, and it stays. I actually had to use a lip scrub to remove it the next day because I washed my face and I thought I had removed it, and then when I woke up in the morning I saw it was all over my lips still. But yeah, so if you want a good stay on lipstick, this is it. It stays on. So then moving on, I'm gonna cover some books. I do like to read. I belong to a book club. And right now, we just finished reading Rebecca by Daphne du Maurier. And I guess the person that had given us this book said it was a classic. And I was a little skeptical because I'm not very good at reading like hard to read books. But I really enjoyed this book. It was one of the better books I have read in a long time. So if you have a chance, pick it up if you haven't read it. It is good. Another thing for stationery that I have been using quite a bit. I picked this up actually back in, I want to say November, and I'm thinking I might have had it in my November favorites as well. So I started, it's my bullet journal. I started journaling in it, and then for December I didn't do it, and then I picked it back up again in January, and I have been quite enjoying it. I like the freedom that it gives me to use it any way I want to. I use a planner every day, my structured planner and things like this, but I use this for, because I have 2 channels, so I use it for both of my channels, just to write out ideas, write out notes. Like right now I had written out my stuff for January favorites and stuff like that. So it's just, I guess, the freedom of to use it any way you see fit is what I like about it. So it is the Lundstrom. The lady at the bookstore pronounced it totally differently, so I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong, but it's 1917. It's the common one that a lot of people are using. So yeah, so I think I'm gonna stick with this for my creative planning. Another one, I picked this up, I think 2 weeks ago as well, I think it was. And it's the cover. It is by the Happy Planner, and I will link all the stuff below. I hope I remember to link all the stuff below, but that's why I use the planner, to write everything down. And it just keeps my Happy Planner in here, and I just think it looks so classy. It looks so pretty, and it's, I don't know if it's leather or a pleather or what it is, and then it's like gold on the inside, kind of like champagne gold. So I really like it. I was gonna buy a separate cover for it, because they have those covers that you can just pop this off and put a different cover, and then I saw these for the same price, and I thought, well, I'll just pick this up because I like it. It is a little big, but I don't take this anywhere with me unless I'm traveling. So for day to day I have my other one that I use, so in my purse, and then I just transfer things into this one, so that way I don't have to lug this one everywhere with me. Now for smells, or for the house, I guess I should say for the house, I have been loving the Sage Spa Spirit. It's the essential oil, and I am diffusing it right now in my diffuser, and it is really, really nice. I'm just trying to see if I can see what it has in it. I don't think I can even read this. Usage. I don't think it has the... It just says purifying diffuser blend Spa Spirit. I'm sure if you go on their website, it will list what essential oil mix is in here, but it smells really, really nice. Kind of relaxing. I know it has eucalyptus, because I'm pretty sure I can smell eucalyptus in it, but just, I like to diffuse it in my bedroom as well, just before, a couple hours before sleep. I can't have it going at night while I'm trying to sleep, because the little bubbling of the water drives me nuts. So I need complete silence to sleep. So this is so I just do it for a couple hours before I go to sleep. Yeah, I'm a very light sleeper. I do not like my dog drives me crazy when he comes upstairs and watches me sleep, because I can sense him, and then when he starts breathing, I'm just gonna feel like I'm gonna go crazy. Speaking of sleeping, I have bought one of these to try it out for, when did I buy it? I think I bought it around Boxing Day, end of like December and stuff like that, because I was struggling for about first 2 weeks in January with sleeping, and I just couldn't get, I fell asleep, I couldn't stay asleep. So I thought maybe this would help, because I do need complete darkness and stuff like that. So I've been using it. I do fall asleep with it. I have been sleeping much better, whether it's because of this or whatever, I don't know. Maybe it was just a phase, but I have been sleeping. I never wake up with it. It's always all over the place, but I do go to sleep with it. So I'll continue using it. So I have been loving it. I just bought it at Marshall's, like HomeSense, and it was $7.99. It wasn't anything. It's nothing special. I'm sure there's ones that are supposed to do, I don't even know what, but this is just a plain one. So another thing that I got is I got a new phone. Now this is still this iPhone. I just got an iPhone 8. Went from 6 Plus to an iPhone, iPhone 8 Plus. But that's not what's my favorite. It's this case. It is the OtterBox Clear. I think they're just called Clear, and it has the little sparkles on it, and I'm really liking it. I think it's very blingy. So that, and then for my birthday, I got Uggs. Now these aren't the most practical boots to wear in the place that I live because it's slushy and wet, but when it is dry, I do love wearing them. And they fold too. You can fold them up nicely like that, so they're shorter, or you can wear them long. So they're like the wool, and then they have like the same filling that the sheep, I think it's the sheep filling inside that the other Uggs have. So yeah, I think they're very different and stylish, and kind of okay. And so to move on, household stuff. So at the end of November, beginning of December, we were in Disney World, and I had the black one of this mug, but I had picked up the white one, and I have been enjoying my coffee in this mug. Beauty and the Beast is my favorite movie, so from Disney favorite movie, and I absolutely love these mugs. I think they're so cute. So if you are watching my videos and you know what I've been enjoying, a lot of people don't like this, but I've been trying to cut out sweets and things like that, but I crave chocolate like all the time. So believe it or not, this has helped. I cannot eat a lot of it. I can only do like 1 or 2 squares. It tastes like chocolate. It's bitter because it's 99%, but it's kills the craving. I don't know why it does, but it just the 1 or 2 squares and the craving's gone. So I've been really enjoying this, and I think it helps. It does help if you can get past the bitterness. And another favorite for this month has been, I used to drink this tea long time ago, and then I switched to loose leaf tea. And now I came back to this because I just wanted to pick it up, and I forgot how much I enjoy this tea. I do it with a little bit of sweetener and milk, and I love chai tea lattes from Starbucks, and I was very disappointed. Maybe some people are not gonna like this, that they switched to Teavana from Tazo teas, because I don't mind Teavana. I love Teavana teas. One of my favorite teas used to come from Teavana. We don't have Teavana anymore. But I don't like the teas that they have at Starbucks right now. The tea offerings that they have. But this one, so chai tea latte, and when they used to have this one, I would just get this one with milk and sweetener, and it would be just like the chai tea latte without all the extra sugar and calories. So I picked this back up. It's the rich, robust blend of black tea, cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and spice. So it is very cinnamony. You can it's like almost like a spicy, like not spicy, but it has the zing to it, kick to it, I guess. So, and like I said, I like it with a little bit of milk and a little bit of sweetener, and I usually drink it in the afternoon. At night I drink a different tea because I drink a robust tea, I think that's how you say it, because this one has caffeine and the other one doesn't. So yeah, so if you have a chance, if you have never tried this, try it. I'm sure it's been around for a very long time. It's just my old new favorite this month. So I think that's it. That's about covers it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I'm going to try and link everything below for you to see. And until next time, have a wonderful day and take care. Thank you.